Hi guys, today my topic is Crochet Heart bag design. Designing a crochet heart bag can be a delightful project that combines functionally with the charm of the heart motif. Here is a concept for a crochet heart bag design. Shape and size. Create a heart-shaped bag with a size suitable for your needs. The bag can have a flat bottom and rounded top to mimic the shape of a heart. Consider the dimensions and proportions you desire, keeping in mind the bag's purpose and the items you plan to carry. Heart motif. Incorporate the heart motif into the design of the bag. One option is to crochet a large heart shape and stitch them onto the front of the bag for a prominent focal point. Alternatively, you can create a textured stitch pattern that forms smaller heart shapes across the bag surface. Experiment with different stitch combinations to achieve the desired heart design. Straps and handles. Decide on the types of the straps or handles that suit your style and functionally preferences. You can crochet a single long strap or two shorter ones to create a shoulder bag. Another option is to attach sturdy handles to the bag for a tote style design. Consider using braided or twisted stitches to add visual interest to the straps or handles. Closure and lining. Determine how you want to secure the contents of the bag. Options include a zipper, button, closure, magnetic snap, or drawstring. Ensure that your chosen closure method complements the overall design and enhance the bag's functionality. You may also want to consider adding a fabric lining to the bag for added durability and a polished finish. Yarn selection. Choose a yarn that suits the desired look and feel of the bag. Consider using a sturdy and durable yarn that will withstand the weight of items inside the bag. You can opt for a solid color to highlight the heart motif or experiment with the variegated or gradient yarns to add visual interest and dimensions to the design. Embellishments. Consider adding embellishments to further enhance the bag's aesthetic appeal. This can include crochet, flowers, buttons, beads, or other decorative elements that complement the heart motif. Be mindful not to overcrowd the design and ensure that the embellishments are securely attached. Remember to sketch out your design and plan the construction process before starting. Consider using graph paper or